unnecessary use of plastic. Wait, I have a solution. Let me do our medication. I am providing her clean air with the help of oxygen cylinder and taking help of trees and water to regain energy. We humans are the main reason of our illness, and we are the only one who can cure her. To decrease pollution, we should not burn crackers. We should plant more trees to decrease pollution and increase oxygen. Thank you. If you also love your Mother Earth and want to cure her, like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel.